Hello friends, welcome to SahuStudies. In this video, we are going to see how lag function works with Windows function in Spark SQL. So generally, aggregate and ranking function we can apply it with the help of a window function. And what is the window function does? It's create a sets of rows. So to define windows, we use over clause in the query. And during the process of writing the query, with the help of an over clause, it generally does two things. It partitions the data with the help of a partition by clause. So all the data can come together and form a sets of row. For instance, suppose we are doing a partition by with the on AP on the year column. So all the year data of the same year data, it will be present in one partition. And if you want to order the data which is present in a particular in a partition in ascending order or in a descending order, so with the help of a order by clause, we can order the data. So the lag function is used to access the preceding value of a specified rows from the current row within the partition. So what it will going to do, that whatever the preceding row present of a particular row in a particular, or you can say in the same partition, that value with the help of a lag function we can able to figure it out. You are not able to understand this point of a time how the lag function is generally works. What is the preceding value? What is the specified rows of the current rows within the partition? We are not able to understand this statement. It's okay. I will going to show you in a practical example what this statement means. And one important thing, lag function is a non-aggregate function. So to perform the exercise, what I'm just doing, I'm just creating a table. These are the attributes of the table, and the type of the table is delta. And this is the insert statement. With the help of this insert statement, I am inserting some values. When this table will get created and the value will going to insert in this statement, then I will show you how the lag function will going to work. So this is it is a typo. This is a lag only. So this is a typo. Okay. So we are talking about lag. We are not talking about the lead. So let's go to the Databricks. Let's create this table and insert the data in this table. So let's go to the Databricks. Let me create a notebook. Name the notebook as Windows with lag. So we need to create a table. So in my previous exercise I have created a table. So let me copy the query. I will change the name of the table. It will save some time. Otherwise, I have to write the complete create statement. So the value is lag, L-A-G, lag. So let me run this still. Okay, so cannot create table. What is the problem? Okay, it is saying that this table is already present. Okay, so let me just put _1. Now run it. Okay, table has been created successfully. We can validate from here. We can see this is the table which we have created. Now let's insert some records in it. So I have already created the insert statement. Let me copy it. Let me paste over here. Let me just format the cell. Let me change the value. Name of the column. Now run it. There are 9 records which get inserted in this table. So let me do a select to see the data are inserted in this table or not. Select star from. Okay, we can see these are the same records which we have inserted with the help of this insert statement. Let's go to the PPT. Now see, here we are writing a query. What we are doing? We are selecting AP, year, AP, product, AP sales, and here we are doing the lag. What is the lag we are doing on which column? We are doing on the AP sales and 1. So record previous, the value will going to populate in this column, and we are partition with the help of a AP here, and we are ordering the data with the help of a APCT. Let's write this query over Databricks, and let's see which kind of output it will going to generate. So let me write the query. Select AP here, AP product, and AP sales over AP sales. Okay, here we need to use lag, and in the lag we are saying that lag we need to fetch from AP sales. Just one previous record over partition by AP year and order by AP city, and just make a alias as AP previous city from this table. Let me format this command cell. Let me run it. Now let's understand this output. So the data here, we have partitioned the data with the help of a year, AP year. So this is 2017. This will come into one partition. This will come into different partition. So let's talk about this partition, right? What lag will going to do? It will going to fetch the previous data. Here, which previous data it will going to fetch? It will going to fetch from the AP cells. Here we have defined here now lag is equal to AP cell, and it will going to fetch one record, one upper or one previous record. So this is the first record. So no previous record is there. That's why this is populating as a null. This is the 15,000. What is the previous record? This is the previous record. So that's why it is populating here. For this record, what is the previous AP sales? So this is the previous AP sales. That's why it's populating the AP previous sales value as this one. Let's talk about this partition. Same for this record. No previous sales present. That's why it is coming as a null. For this, what is the previous sales? This is the previous sales. That's why the it is populating here. This is the previous sales. For this record, what is the previous cells? This is the previous cells. That's why it is populating as this value as a previous cells. So we have seen that how lab function works with window function. This is a little bit complex topic, but if you go through this video a couple of times and you can just do the step, what the step I have done in this exercise, you can able to understand how lab function generally works in window function or with window function. Let's go to the PPT. Thank you. If you like content of my video, then please subscribe my channel, like it, comment on it, and press the bell icon to get notification whenever I add videos.